Last week, Friday, we see USDJPY come back down, okay, to test this very area, which is a very important area on price action. And I want to discuss this in detail so that you know the projection for USDJPY and also trade in line with this very perspective. And if you look at this very point, we have this very gap. It's a very huge gap that happened last week. And after that very gap, we see the market begin to move all the way to the upside. We see this very move that was 2 weeks ago, sorry, and the market came back down last week. And right now, we want to see the market recover again. So will this recovery be sustained? That means, can the market have that very push to the upside from this very area moving forward? Because that is very important on price action. So from what I am seeing personally is for the market to come back down, and I'm going to explain why. From this very point, it is called that market did not really come down to fill this very area, and we see significant move. So if you take the Fibonacci retracement tool from this very point and you draw from this very area to this very point, it is covered that the retracement, of course, come into the golden pocket, which is the 61.8, and then push upward. I am still expecting the market to come down, and then there should be some kind of filling at this very point. In my opinion, market should come back down. There should be some kind of filling at this very area for market to push upward. And I'm going to do some verification on the 4 hours chart. That means what you should see on the 4-hour chart that can guarantee that market is going to move from here into this very area before the next push to the upside, because that is very important on the smaller time frame. So this is what you need to pay attention to on the 1-day chart. USD JPY, expect the market to move down and then the final move to the upside. Of course, you can make an argument and say this very candle right here is a hammer formation, and it's a bullish hammer, and that the markets have greater capacity of moving upward, and that is why we are seeing the market pushing all the way to the upside. Of course, that is true, because if this is a rejection candle after the market has been coming back down and we see this rejection candle right here, then that means market should have greater capacity to push all the way upward. But look at the 4 hours chart here. I want to show you something very important on the 4-hour chart that you should pay attention to as well. Look at it right at this very point. Now, this is the area where that gap was created on the 1-day chart, which also is very, very obvious on the 4-hour chart at this very point. Market did not come to that very area. Okay, market did not enter here, and then we see the market push the first leg. We see kind of consolidation within this very area. Market push again, and right now market is coming back down. So what I'm expecting is for market to come back down from here into this very area. That is what I'm expecting. Market should come back down into this very area, and then once market come back down into this very area, if we see the market, pay attention, if we see the market go above this very area right here, that means if we see a close from the BS, if we see a close from the BS below this very price level of 149.70, okay, 149.70. Once you see the market come back down, bearish formation into this area and go below this very area of 149.70, then know that market is going to come back down. It's going to come back down and enter into this area, and then we're going to see some kind of consolidation within this very area before the next move to the upside. Very, very important. What that means for me is that if the market is going to come back down, I will relax, okay, for this very move to play out first of all. And then if I don't see the market go below this very area of 149.70, then it means that I'll be looking for a buy opportunity from here to the upside. But if I see the market come back down and break this area of 149.70, it means market is going to come into this very area and then from here we should see consolidation before the next move to the upside. What that means is I'll be looking for a buy opportunity from this very area and not this very area. This is very, very important, and this perspective is what's going to guide you on when and what to take the market. So this is what I am not paying attention to on the USDJPY price action. And of course, I'll be dropping that signal on the Telegram channel right here. So if you've not joined the Telegram channel, join right now. It is a free channel, okay, where you receive many more updates and trading signal. So this is what I am now paying attention to on this very price action from now moving forward. So what are you looking at on the price of USDJPY? Do you think this very analysis is going to play out, market come back down and then move from here to the upside, or we see a breakout below here, market coming to this area and then consolidation and move upward? What do you think about price action based on this very analysis? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. I want to see your wonderful comment. And not only that, if you want to watch many other videos like this one, interesting educational video, check this video out. It's going to help you a lot. And check this video out as well. Join our Telegram channel right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.